Now let's see how far we can get with this one. Hugh Jones probably the favourite for this one, but you don't know. There's a lot of quick cars out there, and it's Smith up the inside. So Luke Smith is moved up pretty well in all this, but Gaspy's running right back in about 7th place on this one. But it's Hugh Jones around the outside, CM7. He's the one taking it. Luke Smith in the straight district 2-2. PhD 20, he's in 3rd place at the present time. So we let the other three disappear. There's a bit of a gap then back to TA36, NS206, ST4. And yeah, very nice people. Mishwire is on the back of that him. Like I say, talking to Darren earlier, so if he can get away from the pack on the start, he can probably hold him off for a bit. But Liam's not as quick on the corners as the front-wheel drive. So if Darren hasn't got any power, he's at least something about his spanners going around his track at the present time. Then we're back at the front, beginning to get a lead. Smith, I don't think, has got an answer for Jones as we come round his bottom corner. Last lap flag is right. George got 4 years ago. PhD 20, TA36, that is your 3rd and 4th place cars. So NS206, John Hope back in 5th position, but not making much of headway. SD4 of Andrew Wood, but it's going to be Jones takes the win, so it's CM7, Stoke District 22, PhD 20, TA36, Sydney at Stroll 206, ST4, and limping it home, as we said, only half a lap behind him was Darren Graspy.